So today we're looking at changing the air filter on a Ford Puma. It should be exactly the same for a Ford Fiesta, as the two are based on the same layout. The air filter is just here in the engine bay, and there are 4 bolts that hold the filter in place on each corner, one here, one here, one here, and one in the top corner here. And you can either use a star spanner or an 8mm. So I've actually used the 8mm. I found it was a lot easier to actually fit in, and literally it's a case undo all 4 and the housing lifts off, and you can then just pull the filter out from the side here and replace it. Here's the brand new filter ready to go in, and here is the one that's come out, and you can see how much dirtier one is compared to the other. And obviously that's the benefit of replacing the air filter, because this one is now very clogged and will restrict the flow of air into the engine. So literally it's a case of open the housing up, undoing the 4 bolts, take the old filter out, put the new one in, and do it back up again. It's easy as that.